Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Just Say English.
Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking on this video. We're really happy you're here.
I'm Sophia.
And I'm Ramo. On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English with slow, clear conversations.
Today's topic is perfect for this time of year. We're going to talk about your New Year's celebrations, wishes, and resolutions for 2026.
New Year is a time for parties, family traditions, and thinking about the future. So in this lesson, you'll learn how to talk about how you celebrate New Year, how you wish people a Happy New Year, and how you talk about your resolutions and goals.
We'll have a long, natural conversation, explain useful vocabulary, and give you time to practice speaking out loud.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to Just Say English. It really helps other learners find our lessons.
And stay until the end because we'll ask you 2 questions so you can write about your own New Year in the comments.
All right, ready to begin?
Let's get started. So, Ramo, how are you feeling today?
Honestly, I feel excited. New Year is almost here, and I really like this time of year.
Same here. There is something special about New Year. It feels like a fresh start, a new page in a book.
Exactly. New Year is a chance to say goodbye to the old year and hello to new opportunities.
Let's talk about New Year's Eve first. New Year's Eve is the night of December 31st, the last night of the year.
Right, so Sophia, what are you doing this year for New Year's Eve?
This year, I'm not going to a big party. I'm going to a small gathering at my cousin's house.
A small gathering. That sounds cozy. Who will be there?
Just close family and a few friends, maybe 10 people in total. We want a relaxed celebration, not something crazy.
Nice. What time are you going?
I'll go there around 7 p.m. We're going to start with dinner, then play games, and of course, stay up until midnight.
What are you eating for dinner? That's always important.
My cousin loves cooking, so she's making a big buffet. There will be roast vegetables, grilled chicken, rice dishes, and a lot of salads. Everyone brings one dish to share.
Oh, like a potluck dinner. Everyone brings something. I love that style.
Yes, exactly. I'm going to bring a big fruit salad and some homemade cookies.
That sounds delicious. After dinner, what do you usually do?
We usually play board games and card games. We also like to look back at the year. Everyone shares one good memory from the past year and one lesson be learned.
I really like that idea. It's a nice way to remember the year.
Then, around 11:45 p.m., we all go outside to the balcony and get ready for midnight. We can see fireworks from the neighborhood.
Fireworks everywhere. It's beautiful, but also loud.
Yes, lots of boom boom in the sky. We do a countdown for the last 10 seconds of the year, and then we shout, Happy New Year!
That moment is always exciting.
What about you, Ramo? How do you usually celebrate New Year's Eve?
My New Year's Eve this year will be a little different. I'm going to spend it at a public event in the city.
Oh, like a big outdoor celebration?
Yes, our city has a New Year's Eve concert in the main square. There's live music, lights, and a huge countdown screen. I'm going there with some friends.
That sounds fun. Won't it be very crowded?
It will be, but we plan to go a bit early to find a good spot. We'll buy some street food, maybe hot dogs, fries, and hot chocolate, and just enjoy the atmosphere.
Do they also have fireworks at midnight?
Yes, at midnight there's a big fireworks show above the square. Everyone counts down together 10, 9, 8, and when it reaches 0, the sky explodes with colors.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
After that, we will probably walk around, take photos, and then go home. I don't want to stay out too late because I like to feel awake on New Year's Day.
Same here. Now it's your turn. Let's do a quick speaking practice.
We'll ask you 2 questions. Try to answer them out loud, even if you are alone.
Question 1. What do you usually do on New Year's Eve? Maybe you stay home, visit family, go to a party, or watch TV.
Question 2. Do you like big celebrations or quiet celebrations, and why?
Pause the video now and say your answers in English.
Great job! Speaking out loud really helps your fluency.
Let's talk about some important words related to New Year's celebrations.
First word, New Year's Eve. This is the night of December 31st, the last night of the year.
You can say, I'm staying home on New Year's Eve, or we always go out on New Year's Eve.
Next word, fireworks. Fireworks are the colorful lights and explosions in the sky to celebrate.
You can say, we're going to watch fireworks at midnight, or they set off fireworks in the park.
Another word, countdown. Countdown means counting backwards from a number to 0.
On New Year's Eve, we count down the last 10 seconds of the year 10, 9, 8, until 0.
Next, celebration. A celebration is a happy event for a special reason, like New Year, a birthday, or a wedding.
You can say, we have a big New Year's celebration with music and dancing, or our celebration is very simple, just dinner at home.
Another useful word is tradition. A tradition is something you do every year or in every generation.
For example, in my family, it's a tradition to clean the house before New Year, or our tradition is to eat a special soup at midnight.
Repeat after us slowly. New Year's Eve. Fireworks. Countdown. Celebration. Tradition.
Very good. You can rewind and repeat this vocabulary again later.
New Year is not only about parties, it's also about wishes, good words we say to people for the new year.
Yes. So, Ramo, what do you usually say to people when the new year begins?
The simplest and most common is Happy New Year. I say it to family, friends, and even people I don't know very well.
Right. Happy New Year is perfect for everyone. You can also add the year, Happy New Year 2026.
Sometimes I add more, like Happy New Year. I hope 2026 is a great year for you.
I like to personalize my wishes. For example, to a friend who is studying, I might say, Happy New Year. I hope you pass all your exams in 2026.
To someone starting a new job, I might say, Best wishes for the new year and good luck in your new job.
Let's teach a few useful patterns for New Year's wishes. Pattern 1, Happy New Year.
Pattern 2, wishing you plus noun. For example, wishing you health and happiness in 2026.
Pattern 3, I hope. I hope 2026 is your best year yet. I hope the new year brings you lots of joy.
Pattern 4, may. This is a polite, formal way to express a wish. May 2026 bring you peace and success. May all your dreams come true.
Repeat after us. Happy New Year. Wishing you a wonderful 2026. I hope you have a great year. May your new year be full of happiness.
Very good. These phrases work in person, in messages, and on social media.
Let's talk about different situations. Talking to close friends, to family, to your boss, and on social media.
For close friends, you can be very casual. Happy New Year. Let's make 2026 amazing. Thanks for all the fun in 2025. Let's create more memories next year.
For family, you can be warm and thankful. Happy New Year, Mom and Dad. Thank you for everything. I wish you health and peace in 2026.
For work or school, you might want to sound more formal. Best wishes for the new year. Wishing you and your family a happy and successful 2026.
For social media, people keep it short and add emojis. Happy New Year, everyone. Wishing you all a fantastic 2026.
Let's do a quick practice. We'll give you a situation, you think of a short wish.
Situation 1 is your best friend. What do you say?
Situation 2 is your teacher or boss. What do you say?
Situation 3, a message on Instagram to all your followers. What do you say?
Nice. If you want extra practice, you can write these wishes in the comments later.
Now let's move to New Year's resolutions. This is a very common topic.
A resolution is a promise you make to yourself at the beginning of the year. It's usually about changing a habit or improving your life.
For example, this year I'm going to exercise more. This year I'm going to save money. This year I'm going to study English every day.
Many people make resolutions, but not everyone keeps them.
True. But even if you don't follow them 100%, Resolutions can still help you think about what you want.
Let's talk about our own resolutions for 2026 to give you some ideas.
Okay, Ramo, what is your first resolution for 2026?
My first resolution is about health. In 2026, I'm going to walk at least 8,000 steps every day.
8,000 steps every day, that's a good, clear goal. How will you track it?
I'll use a step counter app on my phone. I'll check it every night.
Great! What's your second resolution?
My second resolution is about learning. I'm planning to study English teaching skills because I want to become a better teacher for our viewers.
That's very nice for them. How often will you study?
I'm planning to study at least 3 times a week for 1 hour.
And your third resolution?
My third resolution is about family. I'm hoping to visit my grandparents every month. They live in another town, so I want to make more time for them.
Those are beautiful resolutions.
What about you, Sophia? What are your resolutions for 2026?
I also have three. My first resolution is about money. In 2026, I'm going to keep a simple budget and write down all my expenses.
Very practical.
My second resolution is about reading. I'm planning to read 12 books, one book every month.
Nice and specific.
My third resolution is about kindness. I'm hoping to do one small kind thing every day, like helping a neighbor, sending a kind message, or giving a compliment.
That's a beautiful resolution.
Thanks.
Notice the verbs we used. I'm going to, I'm planning to, I'm hoping to.
Let's repeat them for practice. I'm going to exercise more. I'm planning to read more books. I'm hoping to be kinder.
Now let's give you some common New Year's resolutions with simple sentence frames you can copy.
For health resolutions, I'm going to eat more vegetables. I'm going to drink more water. I'm going to sleep earlier.
For study resolutions, I'm going to practice English for 15 minutes every day. I'm planning to take an online course.
For money resolutions, I'm going to save a little money every month. I'm going to spend less on fast food.
For personal growth, I'm going to be more patient. I'm hoping to meet new people and make new friends.
Repeat after us. This year, I'm going to. This year, I'm planning to. This year, I'm hoping to.
Now pause the video and say 3 resolutions about your own life. 1 going to, 1 planning to, and 1 hoping to.
Great work! If you want, you can write your 3 resolutions in the comments later.
Let's be honest, many people don't keep their resolutions.
That's true. Often resolutions are too big or not clear. For example, I will change my life completely. That's too general.
It's better to make small, clear resolutions. For example, I will walk 20 minutes every day, or I will read before bed 3 nights a week.
Another problem is that people stop after one mistake. They miss one day and think, it's over.
But one bad day is not failure. You can always start again the next day or even the next week.
Here are 3 tips to keep your resolutions. Tip 1 is write them down. Put them on paper or in your phone. Seeing them helps you remember.
Tip 2 is tell someone. Share your goals with a friend or family member. They can support you and ask about your progress.
Tip 3 is track small steps. Use a calendar or an app. Each day you follow your resolution, put a check mark.
Remember, progress is more important than perfection. Even if you do 60% of your plan, that's still a big improvement.
Let's do a short role play. Imagine we meet after New Year and talk about it.
Listen first, then we'll give you some lines to repeat.
Hey, Ramo, Happy New Year!
Hi, Sophia. Happy New Year, too. How was your celebration?
It was great. I celebrated with my family at my cousin's house. We had a big dinner, played games, and watched fireworks. How about you?
I went to the city square with some friends. There was live music, and at midnight we watched a big fireworks show. It was really exciting.
That sounds amazing. Do you have any resolutions for 2026?
Yes, I do. I'm going to walk more, I'm planning to study every week, and I'm hoping to visit my grandparents more often. What about you?
I'm going to keep a budget, I'm planning to read more books, and I'm hoping to do something kind every day.
Those are great goals. I hope 2026 is a wonderful year for you.
Thank you. I hope you have a great year too.
Now, let's repeat some key lines together. Happy New Year. How was your celebration?
I celebrated with my family, we had dinner and watched fireworks.
I went to the city square with some friends. There was live music, and at midnight we watched a big fireworks show. It was really exciting.
Do you have any resolutions for 2026?
I'm going to walk more, I'm planning to study every week, and I'm hoping to visit my grandparents more often.
Let's quickly review some of the most useful phrases from this lesson.
For celebrations, on New Year's Eve,
We watch fireworks at midnight.
we do a countdown from 10 to 0.
For wishes, Happy New Year. Wishing you a wonderful 2026. I hope the new year brings you joy. May all your dreams come true.
For resolutions, this year I'm going to, this year I'm planning to, this year I'm hoping to.
Repeat whichever phrase you like the most right now.
Now it's time for our favorite part, hearing from you.
We have 2 questions for you today. Question 1, how do you celebrate New Year's Eve? Do you go out, stay home, watch fireworks, have a special meal?
Question 2, what is one New Year's resolution you have for 2026? It can be about health, study, family, work, or anything else.
Please write your answers in the comments using the phrases from this video. For example, I usually stay home with my family on New Year's Eve. We eat together and watch fireworks on TV. My resolution is to practice English every day.
Don't worry about mistakes. This is your practice space. Writing in English will help you remember what you learned.
And if you watched until this point, write the words New Year English in your comment so we know you finished the lesson.
Before we say goodbye, let's give you one more New Year wish from us.
Happy New Year 2026.
We wish you health, happiness, and progress in your English journey.
May 2026 be your best year yet.
If this lesson helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's also learning English.
And don't forget to subscribe to Just Say English and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss our next conversation lesson.
In our next video, we'll talk about another useful everyday topic to help you speak English more confidently.